is famous public Beitou French Library in Taipei City.
It is the first green building in Taiwan.
And it's one of the 25 most beautiful public libraries in the whole world. Isn't that amazing?
Yes, how amazing! I can't wait to get to know more about it.
Okay, now let's try Greenism in Beitou together.
Great!
Our motivation and purpose of this project. Before I worked on our project, we read some news articles that Beitou Public Branch and Taipei Library are listed by February as one of the 25 most beautiful public libraries in the whole world. This is February, an American news website. Then we also found out that Beitou Public Library is the first green building in Taiwan. This is the seal of Green Building Demonstration Site. It was awarded in 2014. Our purpose is to explore more about the concepts and functions of green buildings, to get to know more world-famous libraries and design futures, to discover and experience more about the history, culture, and the beauty of Beitou.
Our method and process.
We personally visited Beitou several times.
We collected data from libraries and websites.
And we finally worked on our project by means of discussion, organization, analysis, and revision.
We hope to share and report what we have experienced and explored with you.
Concepts of green building.
There are 8 key concepts and 9 major indicators of it.
There are to protect the environment, the most important thing.
To use energy efficiently like water.
To use natural materials nearby and handy.
To reduce waste.
To keep indoor air quality.
To lower down our maintenance costs.
To recycle and reuse sources.
Finally, to remove the negative influence as possible as we can. And what about the 9 indicators?
There are biodiversity, greenery, soil water contents, daily energy saving, and carbon dioxide emission reduction.
The others are waste reduction, indoor environment, water resources, and sewage and garbage improvement.
As we know, Beitou Library meets the above requirements.
No wonder it's ranked as one of the best public libraries in the world.
You're right. Now, we would love to introduce to you this breathing architecture, Beitou Library. To visit Beitou, we can take MRT to Beitou Station.
And the most eco-friendly way from Beitou Station to get there is either by walking for 5 minutes or taking Taipei bike for 2 minutes.
Now, we would like to introduce you to Beitou Public Library.
It's a diamond-class green building, a breathing architecture. It is also won the first prize of Architecture Award in 2007.
And it also creating a trend for eco-architectural concepts and sustainable construction in Taiwan. And the eco-friendly features of Beitou Library are,
as I know, the roof of it is covered with solar panels for electricity, and we can also grow plants there.
there are also rainwater and material recycling areas.
The other features are natural lighting and ventilation,
Electromechanical efficiency,
greenery cultivation and biodiversity,
and of course, the wooden frames, tile staircases, and walkways. For citizens, Beitou Public Library offers us a very pleasant breathing atmosphere, better than staying in Starbucks.
Wow, amazing! Let's look at some famous public libraries, like the New York Public Library in New York City, UK.
This is the Central Public Library in Vancouver, Canada.
Yes, it was built on Roman Arena.
Marvelous! And this is
The Bristol Central Library, Bristol, UK. Here are some other libraries, like the Amsterdam, Paris, and Rome.
Our extra experiences in Beitou.
This is the famous thermal bathing in Beitou, but what causes hot spring?
Well, in Beitou, they are created by Beitou Volcanic Group and its post-volcanic activity.
There are more than 30 hot springs there, the highest density in Taiwan.
Beitou used to be inhabited by Aborigines named Catgalan tribe.
Aborigines called the Fermi and Zephyrus place with hot spring Beitou, meaning witch. They thought that it was those witches who created hot springs.
This is the origin of Beitou. Now, when you come to Beitou, in addition to its beautiful scenery, Beitou Hot Spring Museum is a place you can't miss. And we can also travel through Beitou 400-year history and splendor.
Our conclusion.
Members, we reflections.
We are all impressed by the features and Greenism of Beitou.
We understand more concepts about green buildings.
After this project, I think we will treasure the beauty of Taiwan more. We believe we should do more about Greenism for technology, energy saving, waste reduction, and health. It's our responsibility to make the environment green,
Create a healthy atmosphere inside.
To have positive impacts on outside surroundings.
And most of all, to reduce
the
Effect of global warming.
This is the end of our project.
Thanks for listening.